I bring una matter of the Nigerian musician Lighter. All of una fit know am. I bring una matter of Lighter and him baby mama Kemi. Kemi talk say Lighter no fit afford 13,000 naira. 13,000 naira na 13k. Say no fit afford 13k for balloon for the pikin first birthday. Na the matter dey so. She talk say she don know am since he get 46k followers for Instagram, and now we get 1.7 million followers. Say he no fit dey proud of even half of that money for in account. Wetin person no go hear? Person dey compare Instagram followers with money wey the guy suppose get for account. Say he no fit boast of even half of that 1.7 million for in account. My people, make una see the picture of Lighter and Kemi, the baby mama. Be una dey see the picture. The woman talk say she feed them, clothe am down to boxers, and she do everything wey he ask. Abi una dey hear am? Hear wetin woman do o. After una go say women no dey do, we like money, we like to dey collect. Abi una don see say Kemi do something for the boyfriend head. If this talk no come out, nobody go hear am. Now the talk don come out. Abi una know say woman don do something. He talk say Lighter pressure am to get pikin, and now this one don come add am pain and sorrow. He talk say he no dey cry out because of 13k o. Say she no rich, but she dey stable. Una dey hear am? She no rich o, but she dey stable. Now be say she fit still carry on, she fit still maintain herself, still maintain the pikin. Now the talk be that. She say una no know how much dey the pikin account where everybody talk. Say all those people where they tell am say they want offer am money. Say she no need them. She say she no need them o. Say why she tell am to provide the money for this balloon? Now because he want to make him feel involved for the pikin life, even if na small, make him feel involved. Say he don't do something. But Lighter no ready to do anything. This talk like this, what I want talk now, weak me. You know wetin Kemi talk? Kemi talk say her papa been dey useless. How where this talk come out from? She say her papa been dey useless, but not up to the level of Lighter, and he no want the pikin to also dey useless. My people, una dey hear talk wey come out from person pikin mouth. Now we dey hear this one because of balloon, because pikin don dey turn 1 year old. We don hear all the go wey she get for mouth to talk. Now she don for me, I go tell una the truth. All this information, all this plenty talk wey she dey talk, all this information wey she dey give put for social media, no dey relevant. But on the other hand, though, I go say him bring her the reason or wetin make am bring her this information. Say maybe him just want make people know wetin dey happen, make people know who Lighter be. And as for me, I dey call on Lighter, abeg try take responsibility for your pikin, because according to her, now you pressure am to get this pikin. So why you no go take on the responsibility? Maybe why they talk say if una no ready for pikin, make una no bring any person pikin. Okay, now una pikin. Make una no bring human being come into this world, and una no go fit take care of am. Now all the matter dey person head wey no pressure for the pikin. Then the one wey pressure dey live free. The woman dey talk in pains, I understand, because it's not right. Feel involved in the life of the child you brought into this world. Now your sperm harvest the egg, ma put am harvest Sabrina hash. Now your sperm hash am. If you know say your sperm hash the egg, try to take care of the pikin, from diaper to food to all. You know how much it costs? Una dey hear say some schools then they pay school fees million. Make una go VI, Lekki, Ikoyi, and all those places. Una go dey hear millions where better schools they pay. Abeg, make una try. If you bring pikin into this world, try to take care of am. Especially the men, they involved for your pikin life. Some of una no even know birthday date for una pikin. Una no even know school where you go. Una no even know in best color. Una don't know wetin the pikin like. All this one na only the mother dey know, because na the mother wey near the pikin pass, and it's not supposed to be so. Fathers, be involved in the life of your children, so that if you hear say, hey, my pikin thief, you go know say this pikin one no fit thief. If you hear say my pikin rape person, you go know say this pikin wey dey dey with me from so hours to so hours no fit rape person. Abi una dey hear what the cases wey dey happen. Na how will I even put it? Absent-mindedness dey cause all these things. Una no dey pay attention to una pikin well, put am through the track. Take care of am, dey involved. At least make your pikin know say, yes, this is my father, he did this, he did that, he did that. So ma respect myself for so angle. Abeg my people, I wan ask una this question o. Abeg make una dey put the answer for the comment section. I wan know whether this thing Lighter do good, or una feel say Kemi dey talk too much, or una feel say she dey put too much information for social media, or una feel say make she shut up or make she no talk. Una feel say make she no dey outspoken, or una feel say wetin Lighter do make Lighter no even involve himself for him pikin life. Abeg make una dey drop una comment. We go dey reply una for the ones wey involve reply. We go reply for this channel. We no dey ignore people. My people, make una drop wetin una feel for this place, and no forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to this channel. It's bye for now. See you in the next video.